Morning, greetings and salutations YouTube. Welcome to episode 12 or day 12 of Vlogmas. We're starting off the day with mom making
12th day of Christmas.
the 12th days. What are you making, mom? Some sausages?
Some sausages, breakfast.
John, are you excited? John's super excited. What kind of things are these? The things on. Are they from Costco? The apple something from Costco?
Chicken, so apple, good. Sausage.
Hey guys.
Organic chicken.
Mom. Let's dig in. Hey guys, I just came back from walking the dogs and mom has started baking cookies. Or she's made the dough. She's gonna roll them out and then she's gonna cut them out right now. So, oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Alright, so we are setting up for the cookies. We have our trays or cooling trays. We have all of our holiday themed cookie cutters in these two glass vases. And we have the cookie sheets right there. What's your recipe for the dough, mom? Anything specific? No. Mom's secret recipe.
Okay, here. You can read it.
Oh, okay, you guys, take a screenshot of this. This is the recipe for gingerbread house. Oh, the best sugar cookie recipe. So she just, did you save this or is this like you just found it randomly?
Just found it randomly. So that's the one that I'm
So just screen cap all of this, you guys. Just like pause it and then screen cap it. And that's the recipe. Oh, from Katrina's Kitchen. There you go. Yay. Okay. So we're just gonna roll these out now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're going to knead it first.
Oh, okay.
Because it's too much.
Yes.
I'm wearing white so that the flour doesn't show on my shirt.
Oh, I'm wearing brown.
I don't want to. Because I would have to go to the store later and buy stuff for the gingerbread house. We have to make them already tomorrow because it's that doctor's appointment.
Oh.
We're going to get shots.
Ooh, how fun. We're gonna have a gingerbread house, a decorating party just for like us and the kids on Friday. It's gonna be so much fun. So we're getting everything ready already for that. So you're kneading the dough?
Yes, it can be kneaded manually. But I think this is a lot because I doubled the recipe. This is double the recipe.
Okay.
So I don't have to keep doing it.
Yeah, that's easier. Alright, you guys, I actually just finished doing a live. Oh, our cookies are done. With mom's Instagram. So it's Hadrian's mom, if you guys don't already follow her. Also, the recipe for the cookies are also going to be up there in her Insta stories. So if you guys ever want recipes and all that stuff, we're going to be putting it in her Instagram. Mom, do you think these are done? Or do you think they need another 2 minutes?
Let me see. How many minutes did you put it?
6 minutes.
Yeah, maybe 2 minutes.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, time 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Starting now.
Alright, these are the other. Oh, mom, this one got a little dilapidated.
Which one?
It looks a little funny, no?
Oh, no, this.
It's okay.
You just do that.
Oh, the gingerbread man. Yes, these are important. These are crucial.
Yes.
Okay, so right now while mom's doing that, I'm actually going to put back all of our cushions because I hope. Alexa told me that it wasn't going to be raining anymore for the next week at least, so I can put back my pillows.
I only have weather information for the next 10 days.
Oh, she only has weather information for the next 10 days. Thank you, Alexa. You're amazing. Look who decided to join us. Little baby Eliza.
Okay.
Okay, while you guys do that, I'm going to fix these cushions because they are a hot mess. And yeah, hot mess. Okay guys, so our neighbor just came over and she gave me some plants. So I'm excited. This is like a neon green pathos, I think is what it's called. And then we have this Apelia. I think this is what this is called. This one's so tiny though, I'm so scared of killing it, but she says that it's been good for a little while, so I'm just gonna wait for it to grow, then transplant it into a larger thing. But this one I think is gonna be like, is like pretty well established already, so I'm excited for that. And out here I have cleaned up, so I'm excited about that. Ooh, check out my new pillow too. I just threw it out here just because I really like it, but I got that recently from the Goodwill, and it's a Restoration Hardware pillow. And so I cleaned out here. That pillow's already fallen over because it got windy for a hot second. But look how pretty it is outside. It's so nice. I'm so excited. Let me lift up my pillow. Oh my gosh, there's water in there. I have to empty that out. But it is such a nice day today. It's pretty warm. It's not super, it's like perfect. I think it's like 74, I think, or maybe something like that. But yes, such a nice day. So excited. I just like want to hang out outside today. I think I'm gonna do some more planting. I want to I want to switch up some pots for some of my plants. So I think I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, I just left. I'm leaving the house right now. I need to pick up what I need. Ginger. I need ginger, these jalapeno-y things, and broccoli. Alright, that's what I need. Let's go. Also, you know what's so crazy is that I've been using this Chanel bag. And if you guys have seen like the reveal video for the 2 Chanel bags that I got, like this one is actually really like, I honestly didn't think I would use it as much as I actually really like it. It holds so much because it has like this like accordion kind of look right there. It's so cool. And I was on, where was I? I think Tradesy, I think is the website that I was on this morning, and I was just like looking through the bags. I periodically do that. It's like a good way to gain like product knowledge of like the bags that are out there, what bags are selling at and stuff like that. I saw the same exact bag but in red patent, and instead of the reissue style like front claspy looking thing on it, it has like the quilted C, and I think that one was like $895 or something like that. But man, these, like, the bag is actually really great and it holds a lot, which I'm surprised about. Like right now I have I only have 2 things in there, but I have like my regular wallet and I also have my key wallet, so it's kind of cool. I don't know, I like it a lot. I don't know, I wonder if those 2 things would fit. Like when I carry the other bag, I literally only have my my card wallet, and then I have like spare batteries and spare SD card, and that's pretty much all that I have in there whenever I was using it before. But this holds all of that stuff and more, so it's kind of cool. All right, anyway, let's head out. All right, guys, we just got to the Ranch Market. I love this place so much. The only thing about this place is that there's like literally no reception on my cell phone, so luckily I know exactly what I need and I know where everything is. But sometimes mom will send me over here and I'm like, what is she looking for? And I'm like, I can't even text her. I literally have to go outside to like call her or text her. So like every time I go here and I need something for mom, I definitely need to know what it is before I go in, because it's like a cell phone like black hole. No reception. Alright, I got my broccoli right here. Now I just need to find, where's the ginger? I need ginger, then I need that jalapeno stuff that mom was looking for. Oh wait, there's a ginger I think over there. Wait, that's small taro. Oh, how cute, small taro. Potato, purple yam. Okay, just kidding, not ginger. If I was ginger, where would I be? Alright guys, I literally left the store without anything in hand. I think I'm gonna try to go to Albertsons because I'm not finding those the pepper things that my mom wants. They didn't have any ginger and the broccoli didn't look the best anyway, so I'm gonna try Albertsons. Hopefully maybe they'll have it. I don't know if they're gonna have the pepper thing, but they didn't have it here anyway, so we'll see. Okay guys, we made our way to Albertsons. Maybe I should have just gone here first because it's literally just down the street from my house, but I went all the way down to the other side of this, the city to go to 99 Ranch and it wasn't there, so let's go inside here. Oh my gosh, they do have them, but not in the pack. Okay, now I have to call mom and ask her how many she wants. And we got the ginger and the broccoli. Hey guys, I just got home and mom made some delicious chow mein, so I cannot wait to eat some. Ooh, you guys, so this is the soup that mom was making that I had to go buy the ingredients for. So yummy. What's it called, mom?
Papaitan.
Papaitan. What does that mean in English?
I don't know. There's no
something delicious. I guess I just got back inside the house from walking the dogs. And I am practicing my cutting skills for making the gingerbread houses. So it was very successful. Look at that. That is sharp. Love it. Also, the cookie baking has not yet ended. What kind of cookies are these called again?
The Spritz cookies.
Spritz. She's making Spritz cookies. So that's what's in there right now. And inside the fridge, where is it? We're cooling the chocolate chip cookies, which are in here. You guys probably can't see through the plastic stuff, but we got 2 hours for that to cool down. I cannot wait. These cookies also need 2 hours. So yum.
We're making
also, quick update. I turned off the tree so you can see the eyes better, but 2 weeks later, and these things are, well, almost 2 weeks. These things are still on. So crazy. Hey guys, I'm back in my room and I'm turning down the house for the night. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what we are doing. Obviously, all we're doing is baking and getting ready for our little cookie and gingerbread house decorating thing on Friday, which is gonna be super fun, and you guys bet that I'm gonna be filming all of that too. So get excited. My eyes are really red. My allergies are just, I don't know if it's a combination of my allergies and a cold, or I don't know, but it's just going in and out, and it's just really so I apologize. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. I'll see you guys all later. Bye.